Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Yazio and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.